Guys, I've made my pancake for today. Oh my, this is me enjoying my pancake. Oh, I decided to make a pancake this afternoon. I couldn't make it in the morning. So I decided to make it this afternoon before they came back from school. Oh my, these children were so excited seeing this pancake. Oh, they will never get tired of this pancake. No, they will never get tired of it because I used to make it for them afternoon or morning. In the morning, they will use tea to take it. In the afternoon, they will use soya milk because I also make soya milk. This is zobo. You understand? I brought this zobo for everyone. I also make soya milk. I make zobo. I make smoothie for them. You know. So what before they will come back from school, I will make my pancake ready, and of course my soya milk or zobo or smoothie is in the freezer. So I'll bring them up to the fridge. Then once they come back, I'll serve them with this pancake and any cold drink of their choice, which is maybe zobo, soya milk, and even mineral. So the kids enjoy it. Then later in the evening, if they want to eat, they can eat. If they don't want to, they will leave it till night. But first, I serve them with pancake, zubu, or soya milk, or smoothie just for their lunch. So this is what I do, my people. You know, there is not much food in town. Yes, it's only people that are residing in the village that enjoy different kinds of food. You understand? But we that are living here in the town, we don't have access to all this local food and all that. So if you eat rice, beans, and the swallow, it's only rice, beans, swallow, and yam that you can cook in town. So in order to mix them, I came up with this idea of making pancake and other drink available in the afternoon because they take their lunch to school. Coming back to school should be around that kind 5 p.m. You understand? Close to dinner. So once they come back, they will need something cold, right? They will need something chilled. Yes, so I'll serve them with pancake and any chilled drink which they can just use to dilute it. Then in the next 1 hour, they so with this, I can say that I've mixed my food up right, and it is very delicious. I mean, it tastes yummy. If you try this, you'll thank me later. Just make a pancake. Add pancake to your timetable. Of course, I know you will like it. All right, now, later, I remain your baby girl, Harriet Ogechi. Share this. And two, I value your comments a lot. Please, drop a comment at the comment section. Say something. I value it. It means a lot to me. It will not remove anything from your body. Oh, and like. May God bless you. See you some other time.